Hello and welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you all of the tenses in the English language.
This video is an overview of the tenses, so we're not going to get into all the details.
For this lesson, I'm going to give a short introduction to when to use each of the English tenses. I'm also going to share an example of what that tense looks like in a sentence or in a question.
So if you're ready, let's begin. Here's a chart showing all of the tenses. There are 3 times: past, present, and future, and 4 aspects: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. The times and the aspects combine to make all of the 12 tenses in English.
The simple tenses are used for facts or common occurrences. The past simple uses the ed form of the verb and is used for completed actions in the past.
The present simple tense indicates a fact, a habit, or a regular action.
The future simple, the will form or the going to form, can be used to express decisions, arrangements, or predictions about the future. Continuous tenses are formed using the ing suffix and the auxiliary verb to be. This is true for all continuous tenses. The emphasis is on that event being in progress.
Okay, moving on now to past continuous. This is an action in progress in the past, either when a shorter action took place or at a very precise moment.
To communicate an action that's taking place right now or around now, we use the present continuous tense.
The future continuous tense expresses an action that will be ongoing, that will be in progress at some time in the future.
Past perfect has a second street name. We call it past of the past. So when you have 2 events in the past and one of them was completed before the other one started, the first one obviously is going to get past perfect, past of the past. Or it doesn't have to be a second action. It could be just some timestamp in the past.
The present perfect tense is used for events which happened in the past but whose results are felt in the present. It's formed using the auxiliary verb have or has, and then the past participle form of the main verb.
Right then, moving on to the future perfect. As you know, this refers to an action that will be completed in the future, either before a specific moment or before another action takes place.
So we're going to the last column, which is perfect continuous.
So basically the main goal of those is to summarize time spent doing something, if it's either in the present, past, or future.
Okay, moving on to the next tense, which was past perfect continuous. This is an action that had started, continued for some time, and was still in progress in the past, either before another action or before a very precise moment.
So the present perfect continuous tense talks about an action that started in the past and is still continuing. This is the future perfect continuous tense. We use it to talk about an ongoing action, an action that will be in progress in the future, and to also mention the duration or the length of that action at a particular time.